Teachers, here's an explanation of the dismissal adjustments we've been making, but it hasn't really been official. Miss Stewart, I know you've all have noticed that she's completely overwhelmed with the number of Bearcat Wall students who are here. It's an unmanageable number. So what we've decided to do is when pre-K and kinder, they're getting out at 3:20. So pre-K and kinder, you'll come down the hall, drop your students off that have siblings or other people that they ride with. You'll drop them off here as always, and your other students will line up here. Now, first grade teachers, all of your students need to come and line up. We don't want any first graders coming over here and grabbing their siblings like they have since the beginning of the school year. And second grade, we don't want any second grade students here. It's too much. So first grade teachers and second grade teachers, please tell your Bearcat Wall kids, or tell all your students, they need to go where they go. I know there are some first graders who actually go with their second grade brothers and sisters. So they need to go, tell them do not stop here, but to go where they're supposed to go to the door where they normally leave. So once all the first graders are in line, once all the second graders are in line, we will take these kiddos to where they belong. It's just too much. We can't control the kids that are moving around in here. So to sum it up, pre-K kinder, you walk down at 3:20, dropping your students off. They were the first ones down, and everybody's lined up here. First grade, all students go straight to the door or to their door that they're supposed to go to. Second grade, they go past without stopping. Make sure you tell them they are not allowed to stop here, to go straight to their spot. We don't want anybody picking up the pre-Kers. We'll do that. So we'll see how that works. It has been working a little bit since we started it on Friday unofficially, just by saying, hey, go to your doors and don't stop here. But we need you guys to reinforce it and tell them they're not allowed to stop and pick up their group anymore, that we will make sure we do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.